Hello guys, this is Crypto Ray. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, we just talk about cryptocurrency and as well as online related opportunities on how you can make money. So basically on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how you can be able to swap coins with the Dapp browser, DAPP browser, or how you can use a trust wallet to buy coins without without getting to verify your ID card or your pictures or your selfie on any centralized exchanger. You understand? So as you all know, there are there are types of exchangers. We have the hardware exchangers, the hardware wallet. Sorry, we have the centralized wallets, and then as well as the decentralized ones. So most times when you talk about wallets, you're also talking about exchangers. So on centralized exchangers, there are those ones that your transactions are being like, should I say, it's regulated? They are being regulated, and sometimes they have a central authority. There's a central authority whenever you make a transaction with those centralized exchangers. Meanwhile, for decentralized exchangers, there is no central authority. So whatever transaction you're doing on any decentralized exchanger goes straight up to the person you're sending, or the other party involved on the transaction. So what I want to teach you is how you can be able to buy coins here without uh, using any centralized exchanger. You understand? So now there are projects in cryptocurrency now that you don't even it's not a must for you to be able to trade every day to make money from this crypto. You just need to be an early investor in those projects, and then you watch how they will go, because the crypto has turned up a new phase now. We have projects that are called financial projects, right? Called financial projects. Most of them ends with finance, right? You can see Billion Happiness. You can see example Billion Happiness. This is one I'm on right now. They have their own exchanger. They have their own decentralized exchanger where you can swap coins at a low fee using BEP20. What do I mean by BEP20? BEP20 is the Binance chain, right? Then when we talk about ERC20, we're talking about the Ethereum network now. Most coins are built on some of these chains, right? Either BEP20, ERC20, TRC20, which is a Tron network, and a lot more. You understand? So now, some of these projects, like look at this particular coin here. I think there are just 50,000 supply for this coin. The total supply is very low. You understand? Very low. And the circulating right now is 27,000, which means by the time the circulating gets to about 40k, the price of this coin should be close to $200 or $300 per one, right? As I'm here, I came in on this project at when it was $12, and now if I should go back to my trust wallet here, and my trust wallet, you can see here I came into this project. You see the network that this project is operating on is BEP20, right? I came in on this project when it was $12.56 per token, right? And as I'm talking to you right now, it's 32.8. It even went up to 40. It just dumped to 32, and now it's trying to pull up again. So that's how to make good money on this crypto projects. You don't even have to be doing the trading every time to be able to make money with this cryptocurrency uh, field, right? So now I will I'll just show you some of these projects on my trust wallet. So first thing for this tutorial, you need to have what they call trust wallet. If you don't know trust wallet, this is trust wallet here. Sorry, this is trust wallet, right? You just need to go to your app store. It's on Apple and it's on Android. You just need to go to your app store and download trust wallet, right? So once you have trust wallet downloaded, right, you just need to, it will look like this. Once you download it, will look like this. This is how it will look. So next thing you need to do is just create a wallet. Click I understand, continue, right? So there you will have a recovery phrase. You understand? This is the recovery phrase now. So for each user, whatever wallet you want to create, these words can never be the same. It's a random generated word by the company that owns this wallet. So once you have this copied down, you just need to save this somewhere, because if you lose this code, then you will never get access to that your account, right? And it says down here, never share the recovery phrase with anyone. Store it securely, right? Which is very important. So once you get this, just click on continue. Then it will ask you to choose those words accordingly, the way it appeared on this page, right? So once you choose them, just need to choose them. Like now, expand is the first, so I'll just look for expand here, and I'll pick expand. So that's how I'll pick them like that. Then I'll create my wallet. Meanwhile, you need to screenshot, either you screenshot or copy them down in your diary and save it somewhere. So it's very important. Take note. So once you get that done, your wallet should look like this. Your wallet should look like this. You understand? This is how it should look. So the next thing you have to do, once your wallet looks like this, the next thing you have to do is what do you call it? The next thing you have to do is to go. If you're using an iPhone, you will need a link, right? So on this video, you can chat me up, and then I'll attach the link on the description if you're using, for iPhone users, how to enable this browser here, right? So if you're not using an iPhone, then I will on an Android. It's just once you click on that, once you download this app, it will be on this section. It will write DAPP. But for our Apple users, it just show browser, but you need to enable it. You understand? Because it's a developer tool, right? Now, once you have this, you just need what do you call it? You just need to click on deposit, right? You have it like this. So you need to fund account. Now it is very important. You can also buy coins with TRC20 or ERC20 or any of them, but my advice is, most times Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there, and they have a chain called BEP20, right? They have this what do you call it? They have a chain which is BEP20, right? And then this is their explorer. You can just search bscan.com. So on this bscan.com, this is Binance, the BEP20 Explorer. Now any project that is on here and is verified is a very good project. You see, this one is verified. BHC. See, that's Billion Happiness. It's a verified project, right? So if I should search Billion Happiness now, you'll see something. If you click on Billion Happiness, you see that, oh my god, it's heading towards $33 right now. And then the total available for this, the total supply for this coin is just 50,000. So by the time the circulating value is about, let's say 40,000, then this coin should be close to $200-$300 per one, right? So it's very important you have it, and just have it. Just try to have it. You see, people are just swapping and all that. Now, what you need to do is to be able to purchase coins with this and also participate on some projects as early as possible as you can. You just need to enable. After you've enabled this, there's a link in my description that will help you enable for iPhone users, but if you're using Android, it's okay, so it's fine. So now what you need to do is you need to deposit smart chain. You understand? You need to deposit this smart chain. Now BNB and smart chain are the same, you understand, but one operates on BEP2, like this one here operates on BEP2, then this one here operates on BEP20. BEP20 has a very low transaction fee. That is why most people are migrating to BEP20, right? Because this one, the fee is a bit higher. And also on Ethereum now, you see it will be TRC20, most of these other coins. But I use mostly BEP20, which is the smart chain. I just use this one to transact. So now, what you have to do is you need to fund smart chain, right? You need to fund smart chain, which is this one. So now you have to go through your Binance account or something like that. So if you have, so on your Binance, if you have BEP20, this is sorry, the BNB, right? If you need to have BNB, so I don't know how you purchase or something like that. You just need to have BNB. So once you have BNB or any other platform, you can send your BNB to that other place, but make sure you choose the BEP20 address on your Trust wallet. So once you have that ready, just withdraw. Once the coins come to this place, right, just come to this Trust, this Dapp. Now you have to come and look for the project that you want to swap. Most of them, you just need to join their chat. You understand? If you click here, it will take you to Telegram. So once you click there and go to Telegram, just ask for the contract address or something like that, right? Or ask for the swap link. Most of these finance projects. So once you come here, if I should ask for the contract address now, the person in the group that will reply to you that will have a tag called admin will give you contract address or the financial, what they call it, the finance link. That's the maybe, let's say for example, for this one it will be billionhappiness.finance. So the person give you the link. So once you got the link, you just come here. But if you don't have the link and the project is listed on some of these swaps, right, you just need to just click, like for example this juice swap dot for example here, juiceswap, right, .com slash hash slash this is the swap link. You can convert any coin from here. That's any coin that is you have on your Trust Wallet account, right? You need to link this. So once you click, if you're a first user, like if it's your first time using this particular juiceswap, once you click it, will ask you to link, right? To ask you to link your account. So how do you link your account? It will just show unlock here once you click unlock, but make sure at the top here, right, at the top here, you can see that sign at the top. So the one here, so make sure at the top here the chain you're on is smart chain, right? But if you deposited Ethereum and you want to use Ethereum, make sure it's on Ethereum chain. You understand? It will change to Ethereum now. So once on Ethereum, you just click on connect to your wallet. But I would advise you to use the smart chain, which means you're depositing BNB smart chain, which is the BEP20, and not ordinary BNB, right? So now once you have that ready, you just click on, for example, I have 0.2966 BEP20 smart chain, right? Which is BNB coin. So I'm gonna convert this one to, I want to buy more of this is what I have already, so I want to buy more of Reef. Okay, Reef is not available here, so I'll use another swap, another decentralized exchanger to see if I can purchase Reef. So let me see if I should click on DeFi here. I should see where can I buy Reef. Let's try this one and see. 1inch.exchange. I can't use this one, so let me use okay, let me just close this. But if I should come to my balance here, this is how many Reef I have, and right now it's just worth $19. So I want to add up, I want to top it more, I want to have more Reef. So now I'll just go to this, back to this browser, right? So I'll just click on see all. Let me just check some of histories. So let's use Pancakeswap.finance. So on Pancakeswap.finance, okay, I need to switch back to my smart chain because I've connected on smart chain before. So now I'm on smart chain. I'll just click on maximum. Let me see if I have Reef here. Oh, Reef is there. So if I should click on Reef, if I should purchase this, I should have 7,580 Reefs. You understand? Let me see this one. Should have just 0.6. Okay, 0.6 plus so I should have 7 of this. Should I buy? So let's say I will 0.1 we go for Reef. For Reef, sorry, I'll use 0.118 for Reef. So I'll swap this to Reef now. So look at the fee is very low on BEP20, right? The smart chain. So I'll just click on send. Those just say transaction submitted. So I'll just, if I want to view it, I can view it. I'll just close it. Okay, just popped up that transaction has been executed. That's perfect. So now I'll just click here. Let me just swap more for this BHC. So I'll just click maximum right now. So I'll just say swap. Or let me just buy more of Reef. Let me just buy more of Reef. So I'll just click. Say maximum. Say Jude. Okay, maximum. So I think this is okay. Swap price updates accept, and then I'll swap. Boom. So I'll just close, and I'll come back to my wallet. So once I come back to my wallet here, you will see that oh yes, I've added more reef. You see, wow, the smart contract existed. This guy keeps going so high. Wow, 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 that's good. Profit. So I've added more reef now. I have 1,482 reefs, right? Now have everything as reef now. As you can see from here, I have everything as reef. So basically, that is how you can use this. Now, this coin here, I have 6.41, which one right now is $35. If I should want to swap this coin, I just click on. Let me just go to Uniswap. If I want to, for example, I want to convert it to BNB, right? Just click there. I just select token, right? BHC, and this it here. If I should click on it, I'll just say let me change this one up. I'll write one. So one of these now costs 0.46 BNB. Let me change it to BNB as the stable dollar, stable Binance dollar. So I'll just click BUSDT, and then I'll pick BUSDT here, right? So I should have, as you can see now, one of these coin BHC cost $32.49. So if I should put 6.42, this is the current worth of what I have now. If I should connect my wallet right now, it will just swap. Okay, sorry, I need to change the chain, smart chain. So you can see us here now. Just I don't need to be doing too much, so I'll just click on BHC. I'll carry it up. I should click on maximum. Up. What I want to do is want to be USDT. So if I click on maximum, this is the current worth of my 6.4 BAC that I bought at the rate of 207. So you see the advantage. I bought at I bought at 12.56 per one, right? So it was 6.14, which I spent just $77, and right now it's $32 per one. That's 0.4 times 6.42 to 8. So if you enjoyed watching this video, that's how you can just swap with the DEX exchanges, and also how you can be able to trade crypto or use crypto without your ID card being verified, or without getting verified on any exchanger. So if you enjoyed watching this video, you can hit me like, subscribe, or give me a comment below. If there is any place you want to ask me a question, you can just message me, and I will help you, or you can just give me a comment below and I will reply, and there I can assist you. Also, if you wish to join my Discord channel, where I give crypto information and also opportunities like this when they've arrived, then you can just message me. On my Discord link is below. And also for iPhone users, I'm repeating this, you need to enable, which you click the link in my description so that you enable this browser on it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next tutorial video.